What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. My name is Brandon and you are watching my channel where I work on my cars. You dig? Alright, let me stop. But today, guys, I have another good install for you guys. We are going to be putting in my downpipe, as you guys saw in the last little video sneak peeks. That is my eBay brand. I'm really not sure what the name brand is on this downpipe. I did want to go with VSRF. I'm sorry, I can't say it right now. But I wanted to go with that one, but it's a little bit out of my price range right now, so I figured I would cop a cheap one right now and then maybe just upgrade that later on, just to see how this one holds up, because I mean, a downpipe is a downpipe, and you know, I could probably still push some power on this, so that's good. And honestly, let me grab it right here. You know, it looks pretty official. Like the welds, they not bad. I'm not a welder, but I could rock with these. Moving on, I'm not gonna be putting in this downpipe myself because I don't feel like getting underneath the car and doing all the extra work. I'm gonna take it to my boy's shop today and he's gonna hook it up. But before I actually put the downpipe on, I'm gonna get my inspection sticker done by him because it will throw electric engine light on, to my knowledge. So I'm gonna get that taken care of, then he's gonna put on the downpipe, and then we're gonna have hopefully a different sound to the exhaust a little bit. I don't know if you guys are following my previous build, but on my E90, when I had the downpipe put onto it, it gave it like a more beefier sound and stuff like that. So I'm hoping that's what it does for this one as well. If not, I'm still gonna be doing a resonator delete later on, not today, but later on in the future. So that'll make things, you know, fine. Before I take this to the shop, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make a before and after video. I'm gonna put the car in sport mode, start it up, give it like 3 to 4 revs, maybe like, you know, mid-range or 1 high range. And then we're gonna see how that sounds like, and then we're gonna see the difference in when I put the downpipe on. And then hopefully maybe today I might do a little bit of tuning, you know, MHD stage 2, you feel me? But we'll see. Play it by ear, and keep watching the video, guys. Don't forget, like and subscribe and comment. So honestly, if you just saw that video, the exhaust on this car sounds pathetic, and I can't wait to get this downpipe on because that sounded just stock. Like, who buys a car and leaves it stock? Like, right? Imagine. Yeah, can't do that. So on my way to go put this downpipe in, I'm really hoping for definitely a sound change because I cannot stand this stock exhaust. Looks so good. By the way, this is my buddy's car right here. It's a bag 335 N55. He's having either an engine problem or a transmission problem. They think it's a trans, but this is really dope. We put his bags on like maybe 2 years ago, but I like this car. I think this is like a cool barn find. Like, I don't know why, like the places I've been going, everybody's been having like these cool like old classic cars. Like, I don't know which model this is, but this is a Jaguar and it's a V12. A V12. You know how fast that is for back in the day, having a V12 in this motor? That's ridiculous. Interior some shit, but this is pretty cool. Give you guys one more look at the car. Ooh, was looking around, just saw another one. This is a GTO, fully gutted. Woo. This is crazy. Oh shit. quick update before my camera dies. I'm cutting the resonator off the car. Literally, I was like, you know what, fuck it, 50 extra bucks, cut it off, let's get some more bass into it. So yeah, I'll keep you guys updated. Hopefully my phone doesn't die. Alright guys, that is going to be it for today's video, or last week's video. I know it took a while to get to editing this video, but really appreciate you guys watching the video all the way through. Let me know what you guys think of the exhaust. I really only have a downpipe and then the resonator delete. I do have a big surprise. I'm going to be getting some new tips soon for the exhaust, so that's going to look dope, hopefully. I'm really excited for those to come in, actually. But definitely drop a comment on what type of exhaust setup you guys are running. If you guys are running full on straight pipe, if you guys are running, like, you know, aftermarket exhaust, let me know, because I also would want to hear some clips. So, you know, maybe I might want to upgrade in the future so I can get a little bit more bass in this exhaust. But that's it for the video, guys. Like I just said, make sure you guys like and subscribe. Follow me on my IG if you guys want to see more content on my car and just what I'm up to on the daily. And yeah, just appreciate you guys watching the video. Peace out, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.